Today, we would be taking a look at one of the biggest mysteries that has had people captivated for years. Are we truly alone in the universe? NASA has helped spearhead this research, and with the use of some of the most advanced technology, advanced mission, and scientific research, all in the aim of finding answers to this question. From Mars to the far reaches of the galaxy, NASA has relentlessly investigated various clues that could have led to the discovery of alien life. If you're interested in this topic, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for a deeper dive into science and space. Imagine looking up to the stars and wondering if something or someone is out there looking back at you. Well, NASA is on the hunt for the presence of extraterrestrial life, and it's more serious than ever. From listening for alien signals to scanning far-off planets, NASA's approach seems to be becoming more advanced each day. And what they're discovering would just blow your mind. NASA has been on a search for life beyond the Earth for decades. And the answer to the age-old question as to if we are alone is not new. In fact, the search for extraterrestrial life has been a major part of NASA's mission since the 1960s. The early efforts were focused on our closest planetary neighbor, Mars. Missions like Mariner 4 and Viking in 1965 and 1976 were able to send back the first detailed images of Mars's surface, which showed a barren, rocky landscape which at first look didn't seem to have supported life. But recently, the search has been evolving thanks to technology and funding. One of the major programs is called the Exoplanet Exploration, which is focused on finding planets outside our solar system that might have the right conditions for life. As of now, over 5,600 exoplanets have been identified by NASA, and some of them are in the habitable zone, which means they could have water, and likely, life. One of the tools that's making all these discoveries possible is the James Webb Space Telescope, which NASA says is a big leap forward in their quest to the universe and our origins. The telescope was launched in 2021 and has given scientists a clearer view of distant planets than ever before. The James Webb Telescope is capable of detecting things like chemicals and atmospheres in the air of these planets, which could signify the presence of life, like methane or oxygen. The James Webb Space Telescope, also known as JWST, is one of the most powerful tools NASA has in their arsenal and has helped in their search for extraterrestrial life. The JWST isn't just about how far it can see, but what it can see. It makes use of infrared lights to observe stars, planets, and galaxies, which means it can detect things which the naked eyes can't see. Closer to home, Mars is one of the prime suspects in the search for life. The Perseverance rover has been rolling across the surface of Mars since 2021. In search for life that might have been in existence in the past. It also collects samples of rocks and regolith for possible Earth return. Recently, the rover seems to have discovered organic molecules, which are known to be the building blocks of life. NASA is also planning a Mars sample return mission, which is set for the 2030s. This is where the rock and soil samples which have been collected from Mars by the Perseverance rover would be brought back to Earth for a deeper analysis. This mission would be the first time NASA would be bringing back samples from another planet. This could be the major key that would help in solving the mystery of whether life once existed on the Red Planet or not. While NASA is actively searching for life, other organizations are also trying to listen for it. The Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI, an initiative which NASA initiated as a formal and more intensive program on Columbus Day in 1992, but was canceled less than a year later. SETI is the scanning of the universe for possible radio signals sent by alien civilizations. While it seems like nothing might have been heard by SETI initiatives yet, the universe remains a big place. One of the most famous signals that has been picked up so far was in 1966, which is known as the WOW signal. It lasted for just 72 seconds. Until now, scientists still don't know where it came from. Could it have been from aliens? We're still not sure, but it's one of the reasons why there are SETI initiatives still listening closely. Looking ahead, NASA's search for the existence of extraterrestrial life is just the beginning. With each new mission, they keep on getting closer to answering one of humanity's biggest questions. In the coming years, we'll be seeing more missions targeting Mars, Titan, and Europa, as well as a continued exploration of exoplanets with the use of the James Webb Space Telescope. So, what's the verdict? Are we alone in the universe? Well, NASA doesn't have an answer yet, but with the new missions and its cutting-edge technology and a large growing body of evidence, we might be getting closer than ever to discovering the presence of alien life and civilization. What do you think? Is there life out there that would be discovered? Let us know what you think in the comment section below.